Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Midjourney via Discord for automated prompts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Midjourney via Discord for automated prompts, start by opening your Discord app or website. Log into your Discord account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Midjourney Discord server. If you don't have an invite link, search for the Midjourney server online and join it. After joining the server, locate the hashtag newbies channel in the server's channel list. In the hashtag newbies channel, you will see the guidelines and rules. Read through the instructions to familiarize yourself with the server. Next, locate the bot command prompt area in the chat. Type the command /imagine followed by your desired prompt to initiate your first image generation. When prompted, you may need to provide your Discord username to authenticate with Midjourney. After entering your username, an authentication request will be sent. Wait for the bot to respond, confirming your authentication. Once authenticated, you can start using automated prompts for image generation. To create an image with a specific style or subject, continue using the /imagine command. Ensure your prompts are clear and concise for optimal results. As you become more familiar with the bot, you can explore additional commands and features. Experiment with different styles and settings to see a variety of results. Enjoy creating and sharing your Midjourney images with the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.